in Pasadena, California. It is northeast of Los Angeles downtown area, so it makes it a really short drive to come and visit when you're in the LA area. Pasadena is also called the City of Roses because they have the Rose Bowl parade and also the football game at the beginning of the year. Lots of people come from all over the place, all over the states to enjoy both of those events. So let me show you here in Pasadena. And for starters, this is the Tournament of Roses home, I guess I could say, built for William Wrigley from the Wrigley's Chewing Gum. But it's just gorgeous. It's on Orange Grove Boulevard, which way back in the day was referred to as Millionaire's Row. I'm here in front of the Gamble House. It's an internationally famous example of American arts and crafts style of architecture. Way back in 1908, the furnishings inside the house were designed for David and Mary Gamble of the Procter & Gamble Company. I just kind of stumbled on this place as I was driving. I think this is Armory Park, but I'm not altogether 100% sure. But it looks like they have just a little outdoor amphitheater here. People can just walk their dogs. Park area. I am here at the Arlington Garden in Pasadena. With different kinds of trees and flowers. You can come and just sit on the bench and meditate or pray and just enjoy being in nature. You can even come out and have a picnic.
Here we go.
Bungalow Heaven in Pasadena. So this area, I'm going to go and drive around and look around, but there's 800 homes that are craftsman style homes that were all built between like 1900 and 1930. So I'm really interested to see what some of these homes look like. So I'm going to drive around and then I will show you what I see. I'm still in that area called Bungalow Heaven, and it's just really windy today. But right after you pass a bunch of the houses, they have this park out here, and people are having picnics, playing games, just hanging out. It's a really pretty day. It's just really windy today. Here at the Eaton Canyon in Pasadena. It's filled with a bunch of trails. There are waterfalls, places to go swimming, and I did find out that you do need to go online and make a reservation in advance. I am here at the Huntington Botanical Gardens. This is something that you definitely need to take a whole day to just be able to walk around and enjoy the gardens and the museum, the library, the gift shop. It's just beautiful here. Old Town Pasadena is lined with lots of restaurants and shops. Right now, because of COVID, things are a little bit different. But it's still a popular spot to come and hang out at. I am here at the Rose Bowl Arena right behind me. At the beginning of the year, they have the Rose Bowl parade that goes all up and down the streets in the heart of Pasadena. And then afterwards, they have the football game. And during the summer on, I think it's like every other Sunday, they have a Rose Bowl flea market, which is really fun. It just basically takes you all day, and they have vendors just around the entire arena. So it's definitely something to check out during the summer. So the Rose Bowl Stadium is way over there. I'm gonna try to get closer here in a minute, but they use this area for so many different things. And right now they have this lot over here converted to like an outdoor movie theater, like an outdoor drive-in. So I see a lot of cars over there, and they have the screen put up, so that's pretty cool. I am at the San Gabriel Mission. They are renovating it back there, but I still wanted to come and show you this area. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful once the renovation is completed. The Mission Playhouse. My video on Pasadena, California. Be sure and hit that like button, give me the thumbs up. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, Cyntha Travel, and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, take care. Bye.